Hello guys, welcome to our Bitcoin analysis video. In this video, we are going to analyze Bitcoin based on market structure and ICT concepts. Okay, and also third one which we are going to use is the Fibonacci ratios. Okay, so we will use these three technical aspects to analyze Bitcoin, and we will try to predict how much market is going to move next. Okay, so previously, as you can see, that breakout structure has happened here, and the market clearly broke that structure upside, again retested this level perfectly, and also there was a fair value gap present, and that fair value gap mitigated perfectly, and goes up to again here, and again breakup structure had happened above side. So you can see that consistently breakup structure on upside is happening, which means that it has very bullish pressure. Also there was a major support area at this point, so market perfectly retested that area and now moving towards upside. But if you analyze here, then choke had happened here. What is choke means change of character. Break of structure downside does not happen first, but first it happened with the change of character, and then if this low is broken, then it will considered as a break of structure downside. But currently it's totally bullish, and if this break above side, then maybe again its trend will be changed into bullish side. But currently little bit stop or a little bit price is just stopped at these levels due to the chalk, but maybe we will see some more upcoming upside moves. And if you see, fair value gap, important fair value gap is available here, and it's not mitigated yet. Also this previous fair value gap was fair value gap was mitigated perfectly, and now it has, this is the major fair value gap which is available at 103 and 104. So is there any chances to come market at this level? So what is the best way for taking entries in this type of market? You have to see these Fibonacci levels. So if you found any candlestick patterns like bearish engulfing or evening star in the 4 hour or 1 hour in these levels, then you can take entry for the sell side, but only with the SL. Without SL you cannot take entry at any side. Okay, so you can mark these areas and you can take entry, because currently I will not recommend the sell side entry 100%, because there is a lot of bullish pressure and you have to always find the bullish entries, but bearish entry can work for the lower time frames or for the short term. Here if you see in the 4 hour, reverse head and shoulder pattern also formed, and usually its targets are this much, so maybe it can touch this area 122. Okay, so keep in mind that in whichever side you are taking trades, you have to take trades with the candlestick patterns like morning star, evening star, and then combine those patterns with the fair value gaps with the market structure. Okay, so if you are not finding any fair value gap, you can go to other time frames. If you are not finding any candlestick pattern, you can move to another time frame, and then you can try to find. But in this way you can control your trading management, and risk management is very necessary, and you can easily go with it. So change of character happened from here and here break of structure had happened upside. Okay, so when the break of structure happened downside, it will be red. When break of structure happened upside, it will be a black, but I will make it green. Okay, so currently if you wanted to take entry for the long side, this area is very important, and fair value gap is also available in the 4 hour. So 112 or 113 is the best area for taking buy side entries, but how you will take entry in this area when market will came like this, then you have to find candlestick patterns like bullish engulfing and morning star in the 4 hour, in the 1 hour, in the 15 minute, and then you can take entry according to that. If you are not familiar with the market structure, if you are not familiar with the ICT concepts, and if you are not familiar with the candlestick patterns, so I am a Udemy instructor, and I will give you all those links in my description, and you can go and learn all these things.